Hello and welcome to this video. Today I'm going to guide you through a step-by-step tutorial on how to create AWeber landing pages. It's easy to get started, and if you'd like to follow along, there's a link in the description below. You can use it to sign up for a free trial or quickly log in to your account. After logging into your AWeber account, go to the Pages and Forms section in the left-hand menu. From there, click Create a Landing Page to open the builder. You can either choose a pre-designed template or start from scratch. AWeber offers templates for various purposes like lead generation and sales, but if you prefer full control, you can start with a blank page. Once you've selected your option, you'll enter the drag and drop editor where you can add text, images, buttons, and forms. Customize the page to fit your branding and needs. When you're done, click Save and Exit at the bottom corner to save your changes and exit the editor. To publish your page, return to the Pages and Forms section. Click the three dots next to your page and select Publish. A unique URL will be generated, which you can share on your website, social media, or through emails. If you're looking to quickly grow your email list while also earning high-ticket commissions, I've got a free training program for you, linked in the description below. It's completely free and super easy to get started, so be sure to check it out if you want to build your list more effectively. Thanks for watching.